Good evening. Welcome to another episode of Technical Analysis of Nigerian Stock Market. This is Market Formula, and everything that will be shared in this video is only intended for educational purposes only. If you must invest in this market, I will advise that you seek the advice of a professional financial advisor. Having said that, we are going to start by looking at the all share index. So I am currently looking at the chart of the all share index of Nigerian stock market. As you can see, we are still at the support which is trying to hold. Last week was a small bullish candle. This is like a spinning top, okay? But the close was higher than the opening of last week. So in the coming week, I expect a follow through. Let's see if price can hit this level of 45,000. So that is what I'm looking at, and you can still see that the CC high is still below minus 50, so the momentum is still very low, but price is at a support. So let's quickly run through the recommendations by the TradingView platform. So I'll start by using the filter. Let's start by looking at the strong buy. So I'm currently looking at the strong buy now. We only have two stocks here. We have FBNH. Let's look at the chart of FBNH. You can see that there is a follow through last week. We were looking at this candle last upper week, and I said there's a liquidity grab around here. So, and you can see there is a follow through. So this is the next level we are looking at. I expect that First Bank should hit 11 naira 61 kobo, and if in the coming week, and if it is strong enough, can break and hit the 12 naira 56 kobo. CC high is above minus 50, heading up. So First Bank is on another bullish run. So let's look at another stock that we have in this category, which is UBN, Union Bank of Nigeria. Okay, Union Bank of Nigeria, we can see this level held price, and you can see a big bull at current price is currently at 6 naira 50 kobo. But the overall market condition is a range. There's no trend here, it's just a range. So what do I expect? Expect that price will hit this level and bounce back. Most likely, most likely that zone is strong. Let's see. Price is just ranging. The market is ranging. Market is ranging. There is really no trend here until we have a clear break of 6 naira 95 kobo. Then we face an extension level at 8 naira 18 kobo, which is also a confluence of resistance around this price. Okay, around that zone. So that's what I'm looking at. So let's look at the rating buy. What are the stocks that we have under buy condition? Okay, Transcorp is heading up, also facing 1 naira 16 kobo level. A break will face this level at 1 naira 23 kobo. CC high is in positive zone 0.61. Let's look at the next one. Fidelity. I think that Fidelity is overbought, and there might be a pullback, but no one can tell. Price can hit 4 naira 37 kobo before that pullback. But the way I'm looking at it, last week was a doji. We have had two dojis and a small rejection bar. Let's see if next week can hit this level or it will bounce back. Let's look at Zenith. Okay, Zenith Bank. Look at what Zenith did. This is the handle. The cup is forming. There was a rejection at this level, and price stayed. And this bull is bigger than all this candle. So what do I expect? If you can get Zenith Bank at 19 naira 93 kobo, 19 naira 93 kobo, or 20 naira 10 kobo, this zone I think is good. You can pick it here, and let's hope that it hits this level around here. We are too close to a resistance. There is a support here. Price came into that support. Price is currently at a support turning to resistance. So coming week, if the coming week drops, if price drops in the coming week, then we know that we are going down. But if the coming week price is able to hold, the market is able to hold price around here and push higher, then we can face levels of 23 naira 84 kobo or these levels. But at current price, price is currently at a support that is about to become a resistance. So you need to be careful with this stock. You need to be careful with this stock. Price might drop. That's the way I'm looking at it. But if you can get it around 19 naira 90 kobo or thereabout, it's good. Okay. I don't think this is a good buy anymore. We should have picked it around here. But at this current price, next week might drop. CCI is still struggling to cross above minus 50. Currently, CCI is at minus 96. So I don't really trust that candle. It's coming out. This is overbought and it's just still there. Let's look at Mansard. Okay. Okay, see Mansard. We are going to face levels of this level at, we are close to a resistance. We are close to a resistance. I will not advise any entry around here, but if you can get it around 1 naira 51 kobo, it's good. Let's see NGS group. Okay, you can see NGS group is heading up. We were here last week, and I said that this thing, this bull is strong enough to push it higher. And you can, as you can see, we are currently hitting a level. This level is a resistance. So if it's broken, it will face this 24 naira 92 kobo, which is a stronger resistance. So I don't expect price to break this level before it will start retracing again. Chill. Okay, we did not look at this last week. I doubt it. But price was at a support and there's a liquidity grab here. It came lower and went higher. So in the coming week, I expect a follow through. Price can get to a level of 67 kobo or thereabout. So if you get entries around 558 kobo, that's a good buy. Okay, these are hold analysis. So look at this channel. Channel is about to be broken. We are currently at the support of the channel. So let me draw my Fibonacci. Okay, okay, look at it. So If you get MTN around 187, 64 kobo thereabout, let's hope for a push to this level, 208. And a break of this, we hit here, we expose this level. But this level is going to be a strong resistance. Why do I say so? There is a gap in this place. So anytime price comes into this gap again, I expect a supply and it will drop back. That's what I expect. UCAP, okay, this UCAP I said is overbought. So if you have gotten it around here because price came low, came to this level of 11 naira 44 kobo, and there is a gap here. So this gap is already filled. In the coming week, I just expect a slight follow through, let's say to somewhere around 12 naira 92 kobo or this level before you start seeing a fall again. The best entry for this stock is around here, the low of this candle. Unity Bank, okay, Unity Bank, looking at it, see this big bull, and I knew that there's going to be a retracement. So if you can get it around 50% retracement, which I said is around 48 kobo, is a good buy. And let's see if there's going to be a follow through. Let's see if there's going to be a follow through in that stock, Unity Bank. Adova, okay, this was a flat week. This was a flat week. A doji, no movement in price. Okay, you can get this stock around 5 naira 71 kobo. That is JSK. Cortex. Okay, Cortex. Price came to this support, to this level of 2 naira 1 kobo and went back up. We are currently at a consolidation. I'm positive if you get it around this 2 naira price level, you can pick it around 2 naira. Let's see if it will get to 2 naira 32 kobo around that price. Champions Brewery. Okay, Champions Brewery is forming consolidation. There is a gap here. This gap here. This gap. I don't know if this price can still come this low, but if you can get it around 3 naira 23 kobo, it's a good buy to levels like 4 naira 3 kobo. Stanbic. Let's look at chart of Stanbic. I don't really trust this. Don't really trust this because we are currently at a resistance, at a support about to be turned to a resistance. There's a support here and price is facing this support for a resistance. That's a retest. Okay. Last week was a doji at a resistance. There's a resistance there. A break, we expose this level of 79 naira 62 kobo. That's for Boa Cement. Then let's look at University Press. University Press. See, this is the best entry for this stock. 1 naira 43 kobo. CC high is still in the negative side, minus 95. If you can get it around 1 naira 71 kobo, but this is the best entry for this stock. But as it is, last week went up. I don't think it can come this low anymore. If it should come this low, then it will expose a lower low from the look of things. Jericho power plant. Okay, last week was a doji. There is really nothing to look at there. These are flat. Doji, 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 doji. No movement in price. Okay. Okay. This stock. Let's leave this one. MRS. Okay. MRS. Price reacting to this level. Liquidity. Okay. But we are currently facing another resistance at this level. Let's hope that the coming week we break to this level, then we start looking for entry. But as it is, we are currently facing a resistance. So I don't know what is going to happen. Price might break or bounce. So we are too close to a resistance than to a support. So let's leave this one. If price can come as low as somewhere here, 12 naira 88 kobo, then we pick it. I don't know this one. Okay, is also not bad. This level is a good entry, 79 kobo, Transnationwide Express. Don't know this one. Let's leave that one. There's no price movements. Doji, doji, doji. Oh, I think that is all for this week. Until next week, when we meet again for another episode of this chart analysis, I wish you all a lovely weekend.